Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a super cool DIY project. Turning your smartphone into a microscope. You won't believe how easy it is to create some serious magnification. With just a few simple things you probably already have lying around the house. No fancy equipment is needed here. Are you ready to magnify your world? First, let's talk about the two main methods. We can either use a single drop of water, or a tiny lens from a broken laser pointer. Both options are incredibly effective, offering surprising magnification power. We'll start with the water drop method because it's the easiest. All you'll need is your smartphone and a small drop of water. Yep, that's it. Carefully place a tiny drop of water directly onto your smartphone's camera lens. The water drop acts as a magnifying lens. It's that simple. Now, hold your phone close to the object you want to examine. Adjust the distance until you get a clear focus. You can view tiny details of things that are nearly invisible to the naked eye. Amazing, right? Now, let's move on to the second method using a laser pointer lens. This one requires a little more precision, but the results are fantastic. If you have an old laser pointer, carefully take it apart. Inside, you'll find a small lens. This lens is specifically designed to focus light, and it's perfect for our DIY microscope. Be extremely careful when doing this to avoid any cuts or damage to yourself or the phone. Once you've extracted the lens, the next step is to attach it to your smartphone's camera. You can use clear tape to do this. Make sure the lens is centered over the camera lens for the best results. The tape should hold the lens securely in place, without blocking the camera's view. Again, be extremely careful not to damage your phone or the camera lens during this process. Now that your smartphone microscope is assembled, let's see what it can do. The magnification will be quite impressive. You can use it to examine various objects. Let's try some examples. For instance, try looking at the fibers of a piece of fabric. You'll be able to see the individual threads and their intricate weave. It's like a whole new world opening up. You can also examine the details of a leaf. Place the leaf under your makeshift microscope and watch as the cells and veins become visible. You'll be able to see the leaf's structure in amazing detail. Prepare to be amazed by the hidden beauty of the natural world. Another interesting thing to observe is your smartphone screen's pixels. Zoom in on a screen with the microscope and see the tiny red, green, and blue pixels that make up the images you see every day. It's a fascinating look at the technology behind your phone. This DIY smartphone microscope is perfect for exploring the world around you. You can use it for educational purposes, scientific experiments, or just for fun. It's a great way to spark curiosity and learn more about the world. So there you have it. A simple and effective way to turn your smartphone into a microscope. Whether you use a water drop or a laser pointer lens, the possibilities for exploration are endless. Get creative, experiment with different objects, and enjoy your new microscopic adventures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool DIY projects.